A special message to teachers and dear parents. A pioneer of new educational reforms. As a pioneer of a new transformation in the field of national education, it is a unique privilege for us at Padanama Publications to present this Grade 1 Primary Science and Environment-Related Activities Workbook, second term, to the children of Sri Lanka, in accordance with the new national education reforms implemented from the year 2026.
Guided by the theme New Vision, New Child, the primary objective of this book is to fully develop the skills possessed by the modern child.
Opening a broad path for research based on activities centered around the child's world, it is tailored to match the psychological and developmental needs of a child learning in the first grade. This workbook for the second term is structured across several main themes to sharpen the child's intellectual and practical skills. Healthy living strengthens the child's health-conscious lifestyle through the correct steps of teeth brushing, oral health, the importance of a nutritious meal, and good sanitary habits. Animals around us teaches animal diversity, their food, and behaviors, as well as the value of showing love and compassion towards animals living in the environment through poems, riddles, and various creative formats.
Water resources
Practically educates on methods of obtaining water, its uses, and the physical nature of water, floating, sinking, water absorption, and state changes through simple home and classroom experiments. The earth and sky familiarizes the child with the differences between the day and night sky, the world we live in and Sri Lanka, as well as various soil types and natural changes occurring in the environment. Aesthetics and language skills enhances the child's creativity, aligned with art, drama, and dance rhythms, while integrating basic English and Tamil as a second language through simple activities. Comprising a multitude of activities like touching, observation, drawing, coloring, and singing, this book is a tool that transforms learning into a pleasure rather than a burden for the child. The attractive page layouts and heartwarming illustrations further elevate its value. The guidance and contribution of teachers as well as parents are essential to make this book highly successful. We believe that this book will be a great helping hand in meeting the designated targets of the new educational reforms, guiding our children to successfully complete the second term and empowering them to become fully skilled citizens of tomorrow.
We wish you all the best on this journey. Padanama Publishers, a new vision, a new child.
විශිෂ්ට සාමාර්ථ උදෙසාම වෙහෙසෙන සිසුන් සඳහා පදනම ප්‍රකාශන